For students who are looking to save money in university, I would definitely recommend budgeting. It's really important to work out how much you're going to spend.
The best approach to budgeting, I would say, is to separate things into different sections. So budget enough money for your food, budget enough money for your social life, budget enough money for your living.
In terms of shopping and groceries, I think it's really important to be savvy about where you shop. There are obviously certain places that are cheaper than others.
Make sure you look for own brands, I think is really important.
If students are looking to save money on travel, I would say definitely make the most of the discounted rail card.
Cardiff, where I studied, is a beautiful city and I really enjoyed getting out and walking, and it saves so much money rather than spending that money on public transport.
I would just say find the balance between enjoying yourself but also trying to be clever with how much money you spend and making sure you don't run out.
Asking for help can be a really daunting feeling. I'd just say don't feel embarrassed. The university has a really welcoming and pleasant environment where it makes you feel comfortable asking those questions.